Okay. You can hear some song, love will just catch you anyhow. You have to follow in different type of love. Ladies and gentlemen, I get my guy in the house. That song we just hear now, the video we just see, and every LAX in the building. You said the real shit, they worry. More just come out like that. Correct. More they see your golden chain and everything.
I feel it.
You feel me, Abi? On my see this one I for packaging. Forget. Also, I they turn up like this most times. I just show on the.
If you turn up like this now, see your swag now.
This one I just
come back now, so I go dress like you.
But most times, say you dey ever swap on suits. So now most times not only on the rugged
feel like suits.
Okay, you don't too like suits.
But they try them sometimes.
Now so P-Square they talk one time that year. Say we don't like suits. We don't like to wear suits. Even so on the wedding day, we remind them when they marry. Why now wear suit today? Say no, the boys have grown. No serious. But your own swag like this now, on the tier jeans things and everything. Say now LAX way with this. They call you lax.
No, I know like them. But they accept them.
Because some people go
say they call me lax. Everywhere where I go now lax. And I know like them, but I go collect them.
But it go happen.
It go happen.
But LAX now waiting.
Now from secondary school I been get them because I been get one shoe where they call Lacoste.
Okay, Lacoste, okay, that crocodile thing.
Yeah, that crocodile shoe. So I been they wear them every time.
Okay.
And they don't allow me to wear them for school, but me I they wear them.
Okay.
So from there people just start to call me.
From there you funkified the whole thing. It's a lax. So you're gonna be LAX, what up? Yeah. So from then I think on enter music level and everything. I be talk of your swag just now. So you just like to do on this P. Even your shoes have not be here. Yeah. You carry your leg up small. When they make camera for casual thing. Now they see shoe, you just give a zebra crossing everywhere. So now your swag be this now until when I see you like this LAX, now they don't see like this.
Nah, maybe this.
Sometimes you change them. Maybe tomorrow if you come for golden hair.
No, I know they try all this stunt. I like to the day like this.
Okay, 4 years from now, we go know.
We go know. But no, wait, I feel wear suit too. I mean,
because get the kind of money they call for you now.
Swear, money
say you won't sign contract. You go wear, my brother, you go wear jacket.
You go wear jacket.
Only you go wear full mafia suit, sef. Because anything can happen. Anything can happen. So LAX, music and and this particular song we just view just now, title
Morenike.
Yeah. So you be the kind of guy where they like love and everything.
No, as I drop Caro, drop Ginger.
Yes.
They think say I be prostitute as you talk am. So I just talk say I show them say I feel love too, cause me I dey always lock myself for studio.
Okay.
They record every day, so I just been record like 10 songs, maybe club songs.
Okay.
So my manager been coming say, you say if you don't even do love song for, so I've been doing them for. Main come out for February 14th. Okay. But due to some production, we no drop them that time. So now we just drop them now.
All right. So, but this one, I don't say I don't go several weddings and I don't hear the jam. And it just very on point song, very on point love song. Not be the regular
because we been even call person we go play talking drum.
Inside
we been call person we play live guitar. So we been doing a lot for the production.
Correct. Because I feel and I feel yes. Enough making sense what I do. But say your people then they very, very in support of your music and everything.
Yeah, they try. When I first started, they not been there in support.
That was like how many years now?
Like 3 years ago, 4 years ago.
Okay.
When I been there school for UK.
Okay.
They been no want me I do music. So if they give me pocket money, I go just join us together, shoot video.
Just
enter studio.
But I don't know that the hustle is real, man. I see that means that thing where you carry inside mind.
But the thing is funny enough. Nobody say I be want do music.
Okay.
When I did dance when I did small. I did do other things like the drum.
Okay.
But music just starts like not by mistake, to be honest.
Okay. So don't say you be one of those people they're born.
No.
You say they will ask you when did you start music? From my mother's womb. Shut up.
No be so it start. Now my friends been call me, say their car stop for road, me I come carry them go studio. So we reach studio, they recorded, they wait for one artist, we suppose come one big artist, I don't go call his name, suppose come record, he no come. So the producer just look me say, you this small boy, what thing they do sef? You know if you record, you know if you do anything, follow them come studio. So I just say, may I play, I just enter booth, do small freestyle based on music knowledge where I don't get.
Yes, you don't get that before that time.
So in just and we just leave studio self. Next day, the guy just call me say, you guys can't hear that freestyle when you do. Say the thing mad. So the guy can't tell me saying won't even they nurture me, they teach me how to they record and everything. So I they go to the studio every day. That summer they pay like 4,000 naira for studio session. Now the band producer DV at that time. So from there I just been fall in love with music.
So from there, it's just going to build. Because some people, they always discover their own along the line. You understand? Some people, they always say, I sing from church, I sing from here, from my mama womb, from this one. You're on along the line. You understand? But what you be the reason to do before when you been in school?
Before me, I just want to be businessman. I just want to do everything we go bring money.
Basha. Plus to sell drugs too.
No be say.
Na joke, na your joke. Because different business day.
Business.
I know. When I talk just now, we'll just start say prostitutes or something. That business for some people. Not be just say I just want to.
They take us serious.
They carry for head though. As in not joke. Some na corporate. You get one big hotel. I don't mention that for this Lagos. Where even Oyibo, they do their own. No.
I did tell you. I see one Range Rover. We one guy they drive. I see Gigolo for back. I say for this
people don't carry out for head now. Say nobody they even shame again for some kind of PO. Say Gigolo.
Gigolo. Now advertisement.
Just call me. Just give me a belling. So, but for LAX now,
yes,
aside this one now, because this one I just full everywhere now and everything and plenty things. We know they hear some things from you very, very soon.
Yeah. I did drop like 6. Now management they even tell me I calm down. I say because last year I've been drop only Ginger.
Okay.
So because I've been day school, I do my masters, so I've been day.
So you don't do your masters?
Yeah, I don't finish my.
Mona This is not the time I don't like for interviews most time. People don't know to say people when they sing, when they do comedy.
I better post tell
LAX, you get master's degree Now degree is not be joke So now master's guy they see so he go school. Mona not look say because they dress like they do like say na secondary school he finish from. Not be secondary school. This guy is a degree holder. If he marry your pikin for outside.
I beg me.
Very responsible young guy. Even though the dressing is very responsible. But please, now master's degree holder like they see like this. Not be joke. And now they sing up and down. They from go school. Because if you press you tomorrow. Yeah, because that business if you still do it tomorrow.
No, I did
based on the degree we don't already do your hand before now. So if you talk something just now before I cut to Jerry, don't mind the advice what they give them.
Yeah, I talk say I did drop songs very soon. I suppose drop like 6 to 7 singles. Okay. But they don't cut them. They know when I drop 6 to 7. They say me I just give them 4.
May no go finish the whole thing before time.
Me I no go cause problem. But me I won't cause problem. But
my brother, any kind of problem won't cause for this industry cause so. Because that's not a problem. I call they make people they blow.
Na problem they make people they blow. So I go drop like 4 to 5 singles. Okay. I don't shoot like 2 videos already down way we are planning to drop. So everything just they go. We just they hustle. I just drop down one say me they know say I feel love.
At least you feel do things. So aside from love now, you don't do club bangers, you don't do love things now. Say that the next one I say you go to advise us now for this country.
We fit do prayer song.
Prayer song. I like also the reason like this. You are business there somewhere for your you know all goes to go waste. When you all get talent to sing, now it's joining the two. You all think okay, I don't do this, I don't know. Then I pray I go walk now. Trust me, people they go
Nigerian
church.
Nigerian like prayer now.
Yeah, man. My brother, do you tell love prayer?
Prayer.
So if you do not be Damikre come out. Damikre sing. Nobody agree answer Damikre. As just come out, help me say me, everybody face am again. So they bring I come church, come sing the song. Damikre, he talk to gospel artists, and you work for him. So as a businessman you are, he can work for you too. You understand? But we wish you the best. I will not say we will hear much more from LAX anytime soon and all that, But keep doing your good work, They start your better music, and I bet they help us. They preach to everybody who has like go school.
Yeah, I beg me go school. Me not go school.
Let me tell this boy. Let me tell the DJ.
DJ. I know say you go school.
Sharp guy.
Because the way they play that thing, I know say you go school.
Yeah, they play that who go school, abi. How person go school they play that own?
They know how they mix.
They mix the whole thing, abi. Not just anyhow mix.
No be anyhow mix.
Easy beat. Their father, they craze. LAX, thank you for coming, man.
Bless.
We appreciate you.
No,
we appreciate you. All right. We're not going anywhere. I'll see they come back, the late night show, and of course, after now, at the carry Oladele Fallings in the studio. No go nowhere, and I see the late night show. We is coming back.